back out again today, and the wind's going to be a bit of a mongrel today. It's going to be blowing pretty strong, but we'll find somewhere. I'm just using my lures again, just leaving the boat ramp. Yeah, and I get out in the water and see if we catch anything. Well, here we are. We're down just outside the marina there, where there's all the boats. We might as well start here. Never used lures down in like this down in the harbour, but I'll give it a go. I was going to go back in the lake, but the wind's pretty strong, blowing from the northwesterly. But down here it should be not too bad. I should be able to get out of it. Anyway, we'll get going and see if we can get in. First cast is a bit. How you going? Pretty deep here. Look at 11 metres. So I thought I'd just stop here for a minute. Pretty strong wind. Don't know if you can hear it or not. It's fairly strong today. Just see how we go. Well, down in the main part of the harbour now. I'm going to drift these banks. See if I can pick up a flathead or something. Never know, I might get something. The wind's not too bad at the moment anyway. Don't know how we're going to go, but it was a tough day yesterday. As you've seen in the video, that it was a tough day yesterday. And a lot of little stuff, about all we got. It's a real tough day. Hope you do better today. I hope so. I'm just going to shallow water and the deeper water today. Might even see if I can drift the main channel if there's no big boats coming in and out. See if I can get in, might get to pick up a jewfish or something, I don't know. I don't know if you can see them, there's a pot of dolphins over there somewhere. Oh, they're gone. There's one up there in the water. Yeah, the big pile of dolphins just coming in there. Just got the camera out and they went straight under. Anyway, I'll put you back down here again now. Saying they didn't like me, they disappeared. Yeah, we've nothing yet. They don't help, tangled up. Boat keeps turning on me. I'll keep at it. Can't be any worse than yesterday. Yesterday I got a lot of fish yesterday, just a lot of little stuff. Well, I'm wired up in near Newcastle now, just there. The southerly change has come up and it's blowing a gale. I was down near the Dr. Bridge and the wind come up. I said, nah, heading off. So I'll stay up around this area now, just try to get out of the wind best I could. I'll do some drifts in this area and see how we go. Yeah, Newcastle's busy, foreshore's busy over there today. People everywhere. Anyway, I keep going along here and see if I can get anything. I don't know if you can see all that stuff in the sky. They've got a foam machine. Look. Over on the foreshore over there. You know what? It's all coming down on the water here. Yeah. Flying around everywhere. Finally got something. Been here for hours. Pretty heavy, I don't know what it is. Fairly heavy. Let's see what it is. It's heavy. Little flathead. There you go, little tiny flathead. Finally got something. Didn't think we were going to get anything today. I think I'm going to get my towel. Little prick spiked me 3 times yesterday when I got me. Today you're not going to get me. Give me a look at him. Don't get him. Come here. There you go. Little fella. I stuck him back. There he goes. Got one finally. Been here what? Yeah, 2.5 hours. Haven't got nothing for that one. I've got something else. Don't know what it is. Fucking heavy, whatever it is. Probably a stingray or something. What it was, but it come off. Could have been a snag. Thank Christ it come off. We'll check the line. No, the line's alright. Another little flatty, right at the boat. There he come off. Right at the boat I got him. Ooh, mongrel. There you go. Another little flatty right at the boat. All I've been getting little flatty today. Yesterday was the same, nothing decent. Faith actually lost a big one at the boat. She lost a real big one right at the boat and she was spewing. Yeah, right there. Just come off. It would have been in the 70s, probably in the 80s. Most probably it was a big fish. Yeah, we seen it, but that was it. Can't get nothing big. Everything's been little. Oh well folks, that's it for the video. I'm back at the boat ramp. Just about to get in the car and go load the boat up. And I'll see you on the next one and I'll see you then. Bye for now.